Hello friends, in this lecture we will see turn ID, and for ID I am going to select a tool. So this is ID left handed tool and this is left ID 55 left handed tool. So I am selecting this tool, okay, and this is the tool, okay, and here it is a little bit bigger, so I'm just removing this. I'm using the tool only, and the tool size is here. You can change if you want, okay, and enter the tool number, okay, and here we have underside, and if you want to use any other type of tool, so here we have, okay, we can use any other type of bit, okay. So just I'm going to cancel it, and I have one I tool. This is the tool I'm going to use, and go to this operation, and I'm selecting this rough turn, and we can use this for ID or OD for both. So click it, and my tool is this workpiece and my roughing operation, okay. And here select the cut region. This is my cut region and it is going beyond this limit, so click here to define this limit, and my exit limit is this point, so click here. So up to this it will going to be cut, so click OK. If the region is not properly, you can select your region with the help of this, okay. Okay, so and my method is jig, linear jig, and forward 180 is the angle, and here the depth of cut is 1.0, and generate, and you will see the result. Verify in 2D replay, okay, okay. And if you want to see in 3D dynamic, so rotate it and generate and rotate it. Okay, so this is a rough turn for ID.